I had error code HC1 here and I was trying to diagnose it, and I thought it might be good to show you guys exactly how to take the top off of your unit. Now keep in mind, this might actually void your warranty, so do so at your own risk. You'll see here, one's got the bolt on the left, one's got the screw on the right. We're just going to take that loose. Keep in mind that the two top knobs actually go inside the top part of the frame, and then those bottom two holes are actually for the screws. Keep in mind the orientation of the left side is the bolt, the right side is the screw. And now on the right side of the unit, if you're facing the back, actually has the same exact thing. So take those off and use this video as a reference guide so that you know exactly where these bolts go and where they line up. Now that you're done with that, you could go ahead and take the top off. It literally just slides back and pops right off. That's it, you're done. You've got the top all the way exposed. And now I'm just going to show you all around the top of this unit. It's got all kinds of stuff, and if you're any curious at all, this is exactly what's underneath the hood of this all-in-one ventless unit. So feel free to look around. You've got all kinds of like compressor, condenser, HVAC style equipment. There's a fan back there that helps to cool off some of the units. You've got 3 different water sources in there that go multiple directions. One's for like the heat exchanger, one is a sprayer to knock lint down in the back. Like it's a really cool design. But anyway, I'm slowing this video down, that way if you actually are in there working, maybe you can get a glimpse of it. I know it's not the best footage in the world, it's a little bit blurry, but if you slow it down and pause it, you might be able to find exactly what you're looking for. So I hope this video helps you. If it does, feel free to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos just like this one. Take care. God bless you guys.